Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your parental control password pin on your PlayStation 5. So let's just go up to settings right here and scrolling down to family and parental controls. Now, when you get to PlayStation console restrictions, you have to enter in the password pin. Now, the default is 000. If you forgot this and you're not able to log in, there is two different ways to do this. We can go to PlayStation.com and sign in, and we should be able to change it on the website. But if we don't, we can go on down to where it says System right here. Select this, go to System Software, go to the right, and go to Reset Options. And then we can factory reset our PlayStation 5 back to the default values. Now, this is going to erase everything on your PlayStation 5, your account, all the game saves. If you have PlayStation Plus, you can back this up to the cloud prior to doing this. But when you reset it back to the default settings, that means the default password pin will also be on your account. So you'll have to go back to family and parental controls, go to PlayStation console restrictions, and it will revert back to the 00000 password. And you can try typing that in, and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.